And welcome back to Energy Podcast with Jay the Usual. This is Jay the Usual's Energy Podcast here. June 11th, 2025. How the hell are you? That's right, we survived another fake civil war. Oh my god. I'm more proud of you than I've ever been. Your mom? I don't know. But, yeah, it's getting interesting. I find that the major news sources are really starting to suckle on my teat. I posted a little earlier in the week that there was also some disturbing shit in the skies of Massachusetts that a bunch of photographers that were trying to record the aurora ended up recording, and some of them were actually researchers too, and this literally spanned possibly over several states. Now there was a Starlink launch, so I'm wondering if maybe that was some pieces of the rocket that were flying all over the damn place. They were all out different colors, acting weird, changing directions, a lot of weird shit. We caught a lot of it on film, and we already shared a lot of it on YouTube, so you can check that out on Jay the Usual Multimedia. What's getting on? Hopefully no space wars yet. I mean, don't get me wrong, I don't judge people getting high, you know what I'm saying? Especially when it comes to cannabis. In Massachusetts anyway. I don't know about the rest of y'all states and your laws and stuff except for Rhode Island. Holla! Anyway, we're finally living in a time where people are both dumb and smart at the same time. I never thought that smart dumb motherfuckers is what we used to call them. I can't believe that that's actually what we're facing now as an existential threat. But yeah, so long as people stay smart and pay attention a little bit, you know, and then help other people to also be smart and teach them in a way that's not completely rude and racist and nuts, it's gonna be cool, you know. And as long as we don't put up with crime, bam, seems pretty simple. But then it comes with this whole, oh, we're gonna take your information with AI, we're gonna grab it from in the IRS, we're gonna fly some drones, and they're gonna see what your face looks like at every one of these fake civil wars that we have. So just you know, be careful, because they can do a face swap just as easily as I can on Adobe. Which, keep that in mind for your graduations. I also got all these photo shoots that I do for what was that price again? Oh, I can't do it for 10. Oh, all right. So what's the minimum wage now? $15 an hour? Okay, we'll go for $15 an hour this year. $15 an hour will do yourselves a nice little graduation photo shoot. And we can go to locations. We can go to a studio. All kinds of cool stuff. We also fly drones. I am a pilot, which is why a lot of that UFO stuff is extra disturbing to me. And I also do night photography and a bunch of other cool things that I teach people too. Wow. So make sure to share, like, and comment. The more we grow, the more we show, the more you view, the more we do. It's going to be more episodes explaining more of this UFO stuff, more of this fake Civil War stuff, more of the AI stuff. And we even have some episodes that have already been made about some of this stuff. So you can catch up a little bit. And, do they still call it a Portland Frankie if you put mustard on your hot dog? Don't tell me. We'll be back in a little bit.